guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today's video is going to be a Q&A. So I had posted this story on my Instagram a few days ago, and a lot of people have asked a lot of questions. Some of them were similar and some of them were completely out of context. I don't know. Yeah, so I'm going to answer them, and this is going to be a fun video, trust me guys. So watch till the end and let's get started. First question is, if your friend is rude to you, would you tell it on their face? So it depends on the situation, like completely it depends on the situation. If we are in the heated argument, if me and my friend we are in a heated argument, and if she's being rude, I will be rude to her. So it is like a tit for tat situation. So like galti meri bhi hai, so I wouldn't do anything there. But if I'm being quiet or I'm being nice and my friend is rude to me and I'm getting hurt, if I'm getting hurt, I wouldn't say it on their face directly at that time. Like directly उसी time पे नहीं बोलना है, but like later on, after some time, I will let them know that I was hurt. But yeah, I wouldn't say it on their face if I'm in my senses. If I'm not in my senses, I don't know what I'm gonna do. Yeah. Best part of your life, school, college or engineering? So the best part of my life, engineering में भी क्या ही है, I'm in third year and 2 years I have spent in online classes, so I wouldn't say it is engineering because yeah, I didn't like engineering life at all. First year was fun. First year of engineering was fun. I have to agree on that, but no, other than that, my engineering life is not that great. It's all the online classes and stuff, so no, not engineering. But college life, yes, college, I loved my PUC college life. I studied it in Prerna College, Hubli. So I have these two friends and they made my college life so memorable. I love them for that, and they are the reason I have so much confidence. Actually, I had a lot of inferiority complex before, but they helped me gain my self-confidence and everything. So I love them. I loved Prerna. So basically, yeah, it is my college life. My school life wasn't that great. I was not a regular student, not at all a regular student. Can you trust me? अभी हफ्ते में 6 दिन रहते हैं, तो I would be going like just 4 days, 3 days maximum, 3 to 4 days maximum. कभी कभी तो ऐसा हुआ है कि I didn't go to school for 4 days, like in a week. So my school days was not that great, but yeah, I loved my college life because of these two cuties. Okay, this has to be my favorite question, okay? Okay. Imagine you are married to Rakshit Shetty. No, okay, sorry. Imagine you are married and Rakshit Shetty asks you out. So would you leave your husband? Obviously, yes, I will leave my husband. Sorry guys, okay. Yeah, obviously I will leave my husband and go out on a date with Rakshit Shetty. Yes, Rakshit Shetty anytime. Yes, that would be a dream come true. I would consider myself the luckiest person on this earth if that ever happens. Yeah. If given a chance to act in a movie, would you? Yes, I mean, who doesn't want to act, right? So at least at least I want to act, and if I'm given a chance, I will take my parents' permission first and then start acting, because I'm not so sure my parents will allow me to acting, but if I really want to do, I can convince them. So it all depends on future. So I don't know, if given a chance, yes. Okay, this is, want to steal your wardrobe and makeup kits. Oh, one, I'll take this as a compliment, and two, I'll always share with, I'm always open to share, honey. Yeah, you can always, steal my clothes and my makeup. Yeah, you can do that. Crush on you. Thank you. Thank you. Your best friends. My best friends are Saloni, Manali, Tejaswini, Pratiksha. So these people are my jaan. Like, I would do anything in the world for them. So yeah, they are my best friends and I love them. Single or committed? Dating anyone? So yes, I'm single and I'm not dating anyone. So yeah, that is that. I'm very much single and I'm not dating anyone and I have no plans of dating anyone. So yeah, I'm going to stay single. Now for a while I want to stay single. So yeah, that is that. I'm not dating anyone. I'm not committed. Yeah. What's that one thing you really want to do in your lifetime? The one thing I really want to do in my lifetime, that would be meeting Rakshit Shetty. I just want to go meet him, say hi. My life, like, that's the one thing I want to do. I want to meet him, at least. If not meet, I at least want to see him. So yeah, that is that. I am a big fan of Rakshit Shetty. This question, I found this question very weird, like very weird, which is, will you ever get your belly button pierced? Yeah. So no, honey. I mean, currently I have no plans of getting my belly button pierced. In future I may or may not, I don't know, but currently no plans of it, because I'm very repellent to pain. I cannot tolerate this amount of pain. Abhi agar koi even if an ant bites me, I'll cry for 2 days that it's paining mama, and like that. So I don't think I'm ever gonna get pierced. And belly button, no chance. I don't know. Maybe in the future, if I change my mind, yes, but currently I have no plans. You are from? I cannot, why? Why do you want to know where am I? Like, where I come from? Why? But still, I'm going to answer your question. I am from Gadag. Your strength and weakness. My strength and weakness. My strength is my family and friends. My weakness is also my family and my friends. I can say like my strength, my family and friends. Most probably my dad. I love him so much. He has supported me in everything I want to do. Sometimes I am angry. He is also angry sometimes, but I've got that nature from my dad. But he has supported me in everything. He might have delayed things, but whatever I have asked him till date, it is in my hand, no matter how much trouble that caused him. So yeah, my dad, my family, my friends in general. So my friends, my friends hold a whole different place in my heart. So my friends are my strength, and my weakness is I don't know, like, again, my friends and family, like, I can do anything for them. So yeah, my friends and family are my weakness and strength. Wanna know more about you? So if you want to know more and more about me, start watching this channel. Like, I post every week. At least I try to post every week. Okay, so this is on you guys. You have to watch every single video of mine, and you will get to know what kind of person I am. So your question is answered here. Okay. There is this one girl. Okay, there is this one girl who is so bored that she is playing this. What you doing? Where you at? Oh, you got plans. Don't say that. Don't do that. Why are you doing this, Saloni? She's my best friend though. So, have you ever had a nickname? What is it? Yes, in my family, my auntie, she calls me Abbaka, Rani Abbaka. And my auntie, my little cousin, my younger cousin, and yeah, in my home almost everyone used to call me Rani Abbaka. Now they have forgotten, I guess. They don't call me Rani Abbaka anymore. Sometimes when my dad is in a very great good mood, he will start calling me Channamma, Rani Channamma, Kittu Rani Channamma, or Lakshmi Bhai or Rani Abbaka, things like that. But yeah, other than that, I don't have any other nicknames. Would you rather vacation in Hawaii or Alaska? Why? I would love to go to Alaska. I don't know, Hawaii doesn't excite me that much, but Alaska, I have seen so many movies. For example, this movie, The Proposal. So in that movie, I have seen that, in Alaska, it is, for 6 months sun never sets, and for 2 months sun never rises. It is continuously dark for 2 months, full months. So I want to go and see how that feels actually. So I really want to go to Alaska. So if given a chance between Hawaii and Alaska, I would definitely go to Alaska. Have you ever had a surprise party which was an actual surprise? So surprise party, I wouldn't call it a surprise party. It was a surprise visit. So after my PUC, when I was in engineering first year, Tejaswini and Pratiksha, they didn't come to my home for my birthday. It was like they stay in Hubli, I stay in Gadag, so it is very difficult for them to travel, and November is like usually the exams time. They will be having their internals. I was having my internals and everything, so they couldn't make it. I was like, okay, they are not coming, it's okay, it's fine, and they have internals, they have their reasons and everything. I was fine. Deep down, I really wanted them to come, but they couldn't, and I was okay with the fact. So what happened? They came on 20th here to my home. It was like a huge surprise. I burst into tears. I still remember that moment, and I still remember the feeling, how I felt. This was so surprising. It was out of nowhere. They showed up at 7 p.m. in the evening. So they figured out my house. They didn't know where my house was. They knew the address, like they knew the area, but they didn't know where my home was. They figured that one out. So yeah, that was the thing that happened on my birthday, and I love that. Yeah. Okay, so what is your favorite movie or series? Suggest something to watch on Netflix. So my favorite movie has to be Before Sunrise. It is a very old movie, like very old movie, but it is the most romantic movie I have watched till date. It is a must watch movie. You guys, please go and watch that movie. You will be thankful. Like you'll be literally happy that you got to watch that movie. And yeah, it is not on Netflix, I guess. I don't know where I watched it, but it is not on Netflix. I have checked. So yeah, it is not on one. But my favorite movie is Before Sunrise. And I am I'm a sucker for romantic movies. I am a hopeless romantic, and I'm a sucker for rom-coms. So if you ask me my favorite movies, they are all rom-coms. There is not one movie. Yeah, there are movies, there are some exceptions where I liked suspense, thriller and everything, but my genre that I like the most is rom-coms. The Holiday into Wild, Falling in Love, and the recent one I have watched, California Christmas. They are all my favorite, like absolute favorite. So you can go watch them as well. My favorite series would be Never Have I Ever, Brooklyn Nine-Nine, Friends, everyone might have watched. And yeah, Brooklyn Nine-Nine is awesome. Like, it's awesome. I'm desperately waiting for the next season, which will be the last season, unfortunately, the 8th season. So yeah, so that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end. Yeah, till the end, because it is such a long video. And Actually, I'm tired speaking. Like, you know, I'm tired. I am literally tired because I've been speaking from so long. So yeah, I'm tired right now and I'm gonna go drink water and have my lunch. And also, you guys should like, share, comment, subscribe. Please na yaar, subscribe to my channel. What yaar? Just, you know, you have to go, click a button, subscribe. It's done. It's that easy. Please, okay. Please go and subscribe to my channel, okay? Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Please, guys, it will just take you 2 seconds to subscribe to my channel, okay? Maximum 5 seconds. After that, you don't have to do anything else, you know? Subscribe to my channel, okay? Bye-bye.